A community came together to give a dying dog its last snow day. A Bernese Mountain Dog by the name of Brooke, who was owned by a Canadian couple, story came to light when they were on social media trying to find a way to give their dog a proper send-off after they were told it only had a few days to live. So the bonus sportsplex heard that and said, you know what? They're gonna do something. So they came and dumped snow out in front of the couple's house to give this dog a beautiful snow day because the dog likes snow. And shortly after that, a couple hours later, Brooke died. Brooke, rest in peace. There are beautiful things going on out here and beautiful people who are responding to help. Let's continue to be beautiful. Yeah.